Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to software, go to new. We are going to model as a solid part modeling. Untick this use default template, click OK. Now we are using as mm as a unit. Choose mm Newton part solid absolute, click OK. Now go to the model. First I am going to do extrusion of these two portions. For that, the total length of this object is 45. Go to software. I am taking as a front plane. Sketch view. Draw the center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now start the sketch with a small line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just specify the length of 45 and this height I am specifying as a 12. Press enter. Just click this fit screen. And one more dimension we just want to specify is this one. This distance is 166 divided by 2. Enter. Now just go take the line, draw the freehand sketch. Just roll the roller to zoom your object. Just Ctrl Z. Take the line, vertical line, horizontal, vertical, again horizontal. Now just join this point. Click the roller to confirm. Again click the roller to confirm. Now we just want to specify the distance. These two edges are equal length. Make this equal. Click this edge. Again click this edge. Now go to the model. This distance is 10. In between distance is 25 and this height is 2. This height is, press the roller, again press the roller. This height is 2. In between distance is 25. Go to the dimension, click this one, press here. This is 10. Just undo it. Now we just want to mirror. Go our model. You just want the same object has to be mirrored here. For that, select the sketch. Go to mirror. Select the center axis. Now we have mirrored it. Now just click OK. Now go to extrude. Make this as a symmetric. Go to our model. This extrusion length is 71. Just enter 71. Again enter it. Click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. Now this bottom feature we have created. Then we just want to make this top features. The distance height is 43 and thickness is 10. For that, go to the model. Take this mid plane. Go to sketch view. For reference, take these two edges and also this edge. Just click close. Go to line. Choose this inner edge. And press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now this height is 43. Specify this as a 43. Now we just want to create one more line parallel to this. parallel, just delete this one, take this line, parallel, split screen, make it as parallel, and close the line and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we have specified height as 43 and we just want to specify the thickness. Go to dimension, click this one, press here, thickness is 10. Go here, thickness is 10. Okay, now make this as a equal here also. Click this edge and click this edge. Now this distance also 10. For that, go to dimension, this distance also 10. Now we are given every dimension. Just click OK, go to extrude, make this as a symmetric. Now the extrusion length is 61. Press enter, click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. Now we have created this also. Now we just want to make this one the cylindrical portion. For that, we have this flat surface as a reference surface. Height of the cylinder is 25 and 25 mm diameter and 50 mm diameter. Select the surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, just close, take the circle with center point, make one circle, make another circle, press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 25, again go to the model, another diameter is 50, this diameter is 50. Now click OK, go to extrude. Now the extrusion length is 25. Press enter and click OK. Now go to model, now I just want to check the dimension, edit. Yes, this distance is actually not 83. From this point to this point distance is the 83. For that, go to dimension, sketch view, from this point to this point, just delete this one. This distance is 83. Now just click OK to confirm. Now the whole object is modified as per the dimension. Now we have made this also. Actually this hole is throughout the hole. For that, go here, select the surface, go to sketch view, go to reference, take this inner circle as a reference, close it, create a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now sketch is done. Go to extrude, flip the direction, remove material, click OK. Now we have done this. Now we just want to make this round hole, round fillet of radius 10. Go here, select this edge, press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge, again press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge, and press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge. Go to round, the radius of the round is 10. Press enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we have made the round, and here there is a round that radius is 6. Just go to the model, click this edge and press the control and hold, click this edge, go to round of radius 6, enter and click OK to confirm. Now one more round is here, that fillet of radius 15. Select this edge and press the control and hold, select this edge and click this round of radius 15, enter it and click OK. Now every fillet we have done. This hole also throw out, go to the model. The final feature we just want to make is this 4 holes of diameter 12. The distance between the hole is 25 and from the side is 23 and this side is 20. Go here, select the surface, sketch view, go to reference, close, take this circle with center point, create one circle and create another circle with an equal diameter. Press the roller to confirm. Now the distance between this, go to dimension. The distance between these two holes is 25. The diameter of the hole is 12. Diameter is 12. Now one side from the one hole is 23 and vertical distance is 23, horizontal distance is 20. Go the dimension. This distance is 23, horizontal distance is 20. Now every dimension we have specified. Just click OK. Now go to extrude, flip the direction, change into to next, click OK. Similar hole we just want to make here. For that, select this extrude, mirror, select this midplane, click OK. Now go to standard orientation, hide your all planes. Now we have completed our model. Go to shading with wire edge. For appearance, go click this one, select the spot, now we have done. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you.